Hi guys. So one of the other questions we get asked is, why do we choose metal as opposed to traditional wooden products that you see out there? Look, all BERG products are steel produced, from our go-karts to our trampolines. We know steel, we know how it works. We work with it on a long-term basis. So traditional wooden play sets and swings are hard to maintain. You have to treat the wood. You have to, yearly maintenance on it, and, keep it up because the weather affects it. And, we know in Ireland the weather isn't really great. So we decided, because we know steel, we're very familiar with steel. We know the influence that UV light is going to have on steel in regards to coloration, things like that. Salt, if you're living by the sea, has another major impact on the steel, So we know steel, we know how it's going to behave, and we can get the right quality, how we have it coated, we have it galvanized and then powder coated as well. So it's really going to withstand the weather and the elements in Ireland. So it is. Another wooden swing set, is it really going to stand out when every other swing set playhouse is wooden? We're not going to stand out. We're not going to look anything different. They're all going to be the same. So we wanted something totally different, something that's going to stand out in the marketplace. And we feel that with BERG Playbase, we've done the right job. We've got it really right now with this. And I suppose more importantly for BERG is, transportation. We want to make it as easy as possible. Trying to transport a wooden swing set is a very difficult thing to do. So it is. It's very hard. It's just challenging in storage and in transportation. Like the beams on a wooden swing set are up to 3 meters long. That trying to transport things like that is hard. It's difficult. It's going to cause problems, not just for the retailer, but also for the consumer who's buying it. So we have a patent tube connection that makes it possible to have 2 boxes up to 1.6 meters long, transported very easily. So it's a win for us, it's a win for the dealer, and it's a win for the consumer, because it makes it so much easier to transport, to get it delivered, and to have it assembled as well.